And you finna throw all this garbage into the hot box. You finna wanna wait about till 2:45 for this shit to be done. Woo!
Now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one eat like a sheep? Take it away, Gabe!
Throw your hands up, then point them to the floor. Here's what to do, now get down on all fours. Just bounce around, it's easy for me. Go crazy now, and beat like a sheep. You got to beep, beep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep. You got to beep, beep. I said beep, beep like a sheep.
Yeah, so, you know how to beep like a sheep, I see. But, is that all you can do?